Hey toefl scholars, let's analyze this essay. I'll first make suggestions on grammar and style, and then evaluate the essay based on the logical development of ideas. Let's look at the first paragraph. There are a few grammar mistakes here. First, agree with the statement. I agree with the statement. Agree to means giving permission or promising to do something. Has making is ungrammatical. You can use present perfect form or present perfect progressive form. So has made or has been making, both are correct. You need the in the past 100 years because the time is definite time. The red inked words provide some more corrections. Very good. You have a very strong thesis statement. Good beginning. Let's move on to the second paragraph. Humongous is an informal word. Instead, you should use extensive, tremendous, or stupendous. Let's look at the grammar a little bit. You need the increasing level of pollution because increasing level is modified by of phrase. This sentence is incorrect since it violates subject-verb agreement in number rule. The subject is singular, but the verb is plural. To be in agreement, you should say forests. You need commas. Rainforests, comma, which are essential in lowering these carbon emissions, comma, because which leads to a non-restrictive modifier. You should get rid of to. To makes the list badly redundant. Now let's look at the third paragraph. There is another subject-verb disagreement here. Can you find it? Instead of there are, it should be there is enormous danger. Since danger is the subject of the sentence, and it is singular. 3 Mile Island is a proper noun, needing proper capitalization. You need to say here a few, not few. A few connotes not many, but sufficient. By contrast, few connotes almost none. This sentence is ungrammatical since the moods are incoherent. The dependent clause is in an indicative mood, as indicated by goes, but the main clause is in a subjunctive mood, as indicated by would. This sentence does not warrant mixing the moods. You should use will, since you're talking about actual possibility. You need the, as severity is modified by the of phrase. The third paragraph has a very good point, and the ideas are very well developed. Now let's look at the fourth paragraph. The sentence is a little rough around the edges. First, you should use that, not which. It is, that is an idiom. Hell is a slang word and inappropriate in academic writing. Instead of hell, use eternal damnation, perdition, fire, and brimstone. This is a little bit smoothed out version. In addition to the above mentioned two problems, I believe that regional conflicts and localized wars make the regions where the activities occur places of eternal damnation for people who reside there. The conclusion does not add any new information. Overall, you're very good at expressing your ideas clearly. I like that. All you need to do is to brush up on your grammar to be even better. That is, to be precise and exact. These are some of the areas that you need to work on. First, subject-verb agreement number. Second, work on diction. Do not use informal or slang words. Third, study the comma use. Learn when to use commas and when not to use them. Fourth, work on the article use. Use the when the object or concept that you're talking about is definite. If the object or concept is indefinite, then use a if the object or concept is a countable noun. But if it is an uncountable noun, then do not use any article at all. And finally, be consistent in your moods. Okay, that's all I got. Hopefully that was helpful in your writing practice. Thank you for watching and listening. This is Dr. Nani Burns.